She's rubbing her nose. She's rubbing. Oh, you're just crazy. Oh, you're just crazy. Oh, you're just crazy.
I can't even hold her down.
Come on. Go. No, I just.
What? Where are you going, Chloe? You're going crazy.
Right. Come on, Chloe.
Ow!
There she comes. Crazy dog. Crazy dog. What do you need? What are you doing? Now she's all. Come on. Oh, that's energy. Look at all this energy. What are we doing? Here we go. Here's your carpet. There it is. There it is. Look at you. Oh, she's I'm a clean girl. I'm a clean girl.
She's saying that she's a bulldog, actually.
Yeah.
Chloe. 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 Let's
Goes crazy.
good. Good. She smells good. She's gonna look clean.
Yeah. I'm so clean.
Belly rub is the best thing to stop her. Chloe?
Uh-oh.
Maybe not today.
Not even a belly rub.
Back low. Oh, she wants a head rub. Yes. Oh, yeah.
Are you chewing gum? Oh goodness. I wonder if I could find her doggy brush. We could brush her. See where her doggy brush is?
No. I think I can do something.
Go ask Daddy where it is. Maybe she knows. This is what she does after her bath. What are you doing?
What does that accomplish?
I don't know. I have no idea. She's like very calm during the bath and then
Spazzes out.
spazzes. She did not think I'll look at myself. Oh, no, I'm going to spaz some more. Did you find it? Go ask Daddy if he knows where it is.
Just like film that and put it on YouTube.
Yeah.
That'd be funny.
Remember that dog? Look like that.
Dreaming dog.
No, not the dreaming dog. That was funny though.
Oh, the dog that bites his own leg.
Oh.
His dog, he like bites his own leg. He comes up next to him. He goes and he growls at it. It's really funny.
And there's another one. There's a dreaming dog. Mom, look! I stopped her. She's sleeping, and then he's like
And then
sticks move,
he just keeps
and then he like
running.
starts going like that.
And
Well,
he
on the
runs.
ground, and then he gets up and he's still asleep and he starts running and he hits the wall and falls down.
Oh.
And then he wakes up. He's like, what?
She's
She's calmed down.
Sam's got her in the belly lock.
She smells something. Yeah. Okay, now she does it. She's all wet still.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it takes some time.
Right. No, you're not coming up here. You're too wet. No, she's too wet. Too wet. You stay down. Go ask Daddy where the brush is. No, you're staying down.
What if you supposed to do that last
Come here,
time? What
Chloe.
did you do?
Come here, Chloe.
Wasn't he supposed to go ask him last
I know.
time?
Come here, Chloe.
Who knows?
Oh.
Yeah. Not coming to get you. Oh, no, you don't. No, you don't. You're too wet. You're too wet. You're too wet. Are you trying to get me? Are you trying to get me? You trying to get me? You trying to get me, huh?